In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom an Outlook email. We all know how important it is to be able to read your emails comfortably, whether it's because you're working with a smaller screen or just prefer larger text. So let's walk through the process step by step to make sure your Outlook experience is as smooth as possible. First, we're going to start by navigating over to the Microsoft 365 Outlook sign-in page. Open your favorite web browser and head over to the Outlook login portal. You'll see a friendly interface welcoming you to the Outlook services, and right there you should spot the sign in button. Go ahead and click on that to proceed with logging into your account. Once you've signed in, you'll be directed to the Outlook homepage, where all your services and emails are easily accessible. From the main page, look for the Mail option. This is where all your emails are housed, and it's precisely where we want to be to make the necessary adjustments. Click on Mail and you'll be taken to your inbox, where you see a list of all your received emails. Now that you're in your inbox, the next step is to select an email that you wish to zoom in on. It can be any email, perhaps one you've been having difficulty reading due to its text size. Just click on the email and it will open, displaying its contents for you to review. With the email opened, direct your attention to the top navigation bar in the Outlook interface. Here you'll see several options, but the one we're going to focus on is View. Go ahead and click View to open up additional viewing options or settings. This is key because it provides you with a variety of ways to tailor what you see on your screen. After you've clicked on View, you'll see some additional options related to the appearance and size of your email content. What you're looking for next is the Zoom option. Click on Zoom and a new menu will pop up, allowing you to select the zoom level that best suits your needs. You can choose from options like 100%, 200% or others, depending on how large or small you need the text to be. And that's it. By making these simple adjustments, you can now read your Outlook emails more comfortably, ensuring you don't miss out on important information due to small text sizes. Remember, you can always adjust the zoom level according to your preference anytime you feel the need for a change. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped enhance your email reading experience.